Welcome to our channel, where we bring you daily insights into the best products to make your life easier. In today's video, we'll be exploring the best double-sided tape that delivers strong adhesion, durability, and versatility for all your projects. Stay tuned to discover which options stand out, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful product reviews. Number 1. Gorilla Tough and Clear Double-Sided Mounting Tape. Gorilla's double-sided tape is great for projects where traditional fasteners won't work. The tape works on a variety of surfaces, including stone, concrete, glass, metal, bricks, tile, plastic, and wood. However, because it's a permanent tape and features a strong adhesive, it's not recommended for delicate surfaces such as painted drywall. This mounting tape holds 1 pound per 4 inches of tape. It's good for both indoor and outdoor applications, and it won't yellow over time. The tape is moisture and heat resistant up to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. Gorilla Tape offers a wide range of mounting, repairing, and bonding applications. For those who need a permanent tape that mounts in an instant with a long-lasting, weatherproof bond, Gorilla's product is a solid choice. Number 2. Finis Clear Waterproof Double-Sided Mounting Tape. A budget-friendly option, this double-sided tape by Finis works best on smooth surfaces such as glass, metal, plastic, ceramic tile, and marble. Because it has a strong acrylic adhesive base, it's not suitable for delicate surfaces such as wallpaper, painted surfaces, or broken walls. The tape is flexible and leaves no residue when removed from proper surfaces. It has a cold heat resistance of -4 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit and is resistant to moisture and solvents, making it useful outdoors as well as inside the home. With its heavy-duty strength and easy-to-use design, this mounting tape makes it simple to create secure bonds for both home and office projects. It's clear and discreet, so it blends seamlessly into your decor while offering the durability you need. Plus, being removable means you can reposition or remove it without damaging your surfaces, making it perfect for renters or temporary setups. Number 3. Headlights Double-Sided Tape. This industrial-strength, high-bond acrylic foam tape is suitable for most applications, including outdoor use. It works on a variety of materials, including aluminum, steel, glass, and plastics. Headlights is a heavy-duty double-sided tape that grabs a firm hold immediately. The bond created by this permanent tape actually strengthens over time, and the product truly shines in cases where waterproof adhesion is required. Strong double-sided mounting tape, width 0.4 inch, thickness 0.025 inch, strength holds up to 3 IBs per 2 inches. It is ideal for mounting large and heavy tools, strip lights, automotive trim, teaching materials, posters, and picture frames. Consists of a durable acrylic adhesive with viscoelastic properties, making the adhesive tape suitable for most surfaces, including mounting outdoors or in damp locations. Please ensure that the tape is not exposed to moisture environments until the tape adhesive has fully cured. Number 4. Scotch Removable Double-Sided Tape Dispenser Roll. This removable tape features a unique adhesive that holds paper securely, but is easy to reposition or remove if needed or desired. This ability makes Scotch's tape a terrific option to use in small projects, such as photo albums and scrapbooks. The tape is acid-free and archival, so it will not yellow or damage either photographs or papers. For light-duty mounting needs, this double-sided tape is a fine option, not least because it comes in an easy-to-use tape dispenser that allows the tape to glide off the roll smoothly. This industrial-strength foam tape is easy to install. Just peel off the tape and stick it to the surface of the object. And it is easy to reposition when it's not fully compressed, and repositioning will not influence adhesion durability. It bonds quickly and securely when it's fully compressed. No drilling, no screwing, no heating. Due to the strong adhesion of this sticky tape, sometimes it may be hard for you to remove the red protective liner. Number 5. Special X-Fasten Double-Sided Carpet Tape. X-Fasten's durable carpet tape is a top solution for keeping area rugs and runners firmly in place. If the rug may need to be moved later, no worries. The tape can be removed easily by hand without leaving a sticky residue behind. Surfaces must be dry and free of debris before application, but the tape is safe for use on hardwood, vinyl, and tile, as well as on carpeting of all types. Secure area rugs and carpets in place with our double-sided carpet tape heavy duty. Our double-sided tape for rugs to stay in place is great to keep rug in place on carpet, hardwood floors, and carpet-to-carpet applications. Unlike other double-sided rug tape for carpet floor, our area rug tape for tile uses a residue-free adhesive that doesn't damage hardwood floors and is removable even after years.